Good evening, everyone. My name is Pham Vinh, and today I'm going to talk about the HRM department of Saigon Cargo Services Joint Stock Corporation. In particular, I will talk about the hiring process of the firms, and here's my table of contents. There are five different parts. Uh, at first, the hiring process is the method through which a firm locates, selects, and employs new workers. In the first part, we discuss how the different parts of the hiring process can lead to greater firm profitability. The box. There are seven steps of hiring process, namely personnel requisitions, intake meetings, job posting, internal applicants, interview process, and reference checks. And last is job offers. In my research, I will focus on two main steps. The first one is personnel requisitions. Here's how to determine hiring requirements, examine the department current workloads, then determine the staff's working quality, uh, then compile a list of the team skills and knowledge gaps in order to replenish human resource. And last one is analyze job specifications, job characteristics, and hiring strategies. In addition, employers should also consider the impacts that may affect recruitment, such as the size of organization, the level of income that the enterprise pay to the candidates, the culture of work and working conditions, the speed of development in the business, and the last one is the reality of employment in the labor market. This job will help company come up with a job description and a review of the most realistic and comprehensive candidate qualities, saving recruitment time for filtering a large number of candidates. In addition, ensuring the criteria, right people, right jobs. With an interview process, there are two main steps: is telephone screening and in a video interview. After candidates have completed the registration step, HRM will conduct a phone interview or video interview. And the second one is in-person interview. This is the final step before the employer make a final assessment and offer a job. Um, the interview process is very important and has a great impact on the future quality of personnel. If this stage is carried out appropriately and effectively, this help the company to screen, evaluate objectively, fairly, professionally, and company will have the opportunity to own a good personnel, contribute positively to the operation, as well as commit to long-term commission. In the next part, I will analyze strengths and weaknesses of SCSC hiring process, considering the strengths of labor market. There's three strengths uh, according to Mr. Thang, an employee at HRM of SCSC, that this firm have on a professional recruitment team. Uh, they uh, they fully exploit this or produce. The first one is they use the recruitment management name ATS systems. This system will have the company know where most potential candidates are coming from, and it will very effective recruitment channel to for them to optimize for the next time. Secondly, SCSC recruitment team has an evaluate system that should be quantified using a competency framework is very common today and ensuring the most reasonableness and adherence to the location requirements. Uh, it's also SCSC clearly express the view of the company cultures is the recruitment rounds in from the recruitment rounds is an important factors for new candidates. Um, In addition, the Department of SCSE leverage the internal recruitment network. The second strength of this firm is the media team support recruiting, seeing the development of technology and understanding the human psyche in times of dangerous epidemics. SCSE open online recruitment session through company recruitment website, running advertisement on social media, and they actively update recruitment information to the media. This ways of doing both promoting the company and attract abundant human resources. The last strength of the company is they have a very good cooperation with job seeking communities along with business branch of the same industry. Um, Take advantage of non-intermediary human resource transition with proven qualifications, significant saving in recruitment time and cost. To mention the weaknesses, it's about the hiring process expense. SCSA has to pay a large amount of money for recruitment because of the cost of advertising and the cost of hiring more online recruitment team. And solution for this is develop automated code that select candidate to reduce costs. This might be transferred from cooperative technology corporation. Uh, the second one is job description with a professional team. SCSC always create a more realistic and comprehensive job description. However, in recent recruitment process, the company um, has fully expressed those factors in the job description, such as work objectives, functions, and tasks, capacity requirements, and compensation. But somehow they forgot to focus on ele- an element of authorities and responsibilities. It's very confused for candidates for understand this definition of the company. The next part we will uh, discuss how SCSC looking at student grade during the selection process. Um, According to Dan Black, uh, you say that it is really one of the only indications we have to of students' technical abilities or competence to do the job when he say about the GPA in the CV of the candidate. In SCSC, you only need to have a high school diploma and all other professional requirements to work for SCSC in transport station and cargo department. In other expertise department, um, you have to submit the university diploma when you apply to the company, as well as other professional requirements. Mm, in general, yeah, SAC only asks for a degree in the application and doesn't pay attention to the candidate score. A face-to-face interview is used to choose candidate for a company. A candidate who meet all the company requirements are chosen for admission. The fourth part is conditions for hiring candidate for a management position. According to Mr. Tang, SEC does not demand master or doctorate degrees for managerial jobs. Instead, they require applicants to have managerial experience from other organizations. The final part of my presentation is how the company prepare before the interview. Interview process at the firm always use both uh, to strategy that structure and unstructured question. Uh, to be more specific, um, To be more specific, list of questions prepared to test the knowledge and expertise of candidates in specific fields. For example, knowledge how operate machines, knowledge about the cargo industry. But to make the most objective assessment, SCSC also need to test their ability to control and handle problems when they give or coordinate the other teammates. Therefore, unprepared questions should be asked by the interviewer based on the expertise and experience in the field to see how candidates react and respond. It's my reference lead, and thanks for listening.